This video is the installation demonstration and should not take the place of the installation instructions for this product. Always consult the installation instructions before installing VaporShield products. Before beginning, make sure all sheathing materials are clean, free of dust, and trim flush with framing members at rough openings, and that all required materials are on site.
First thing we need to do is get in and wrap the windows with our wrap flashing SA and our Liquiflash material. And so the guys here are going to get started doing that pretty quick.
We measured and cut pieces of wrap flashing SA for the left and right jambs, the head, and sill flashing so that each piece extends at least 9 inches past the edges of the opening for each side. That's the rough opening plus 18 inches. We installed the sill piece by first removing the release paper from the top half of the flashing material and sticking it in place 6 inches above the opening, while leaving 6 inches of release paper on the lower half of the material for shingling over the field membrane. The inside corners are all slit and the flaps are folded into the opening, fully adhering to the inner surface. This is done on the left and right jambs of this window opening. Slit the inside corners and fold the wrap flashing into the rough opening so it adheres to the sill and jamb. For maximum adhesion, use a hand roller to back roll over the material. Next, we install the head flashing, only after both left and right jamb pieces are adhered. Again, cut the corners and then fold in the wrap flashing. Then back roll over the material for maximum adhesion. We're now ready to start applying Vapro Liquiflash. For a clean looking install, we mask the sills about 1 inch on the face of the rough opening prior to applying Vapro Liquiflash. Using the sausage gun, apply Vapro Liquiflash on the rough opening and immediately spread the material with a putty knife or a brush, creating a 1-inch border around the rough opening. You can apply additional Vapro Liquiflash on all inner surfaces of the rough opening and spread it until all surfaces are completely covered and the substrate below is no longer visible. This is approximately 12 to 15 wet mils on the jamb and the head and 30 mils on the sill. Finally, after it's dry to the touch, you can remove the tape and inspect for voids, paying special attention to the corners and touch up with Vapro Liquiflash as needed. The rough opening is now ready to receive the window and head flashing components by others. For more information, please visit VaporShield.com or call us at 866-731-7663.